Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the class. That is the TS and AP LASET 2021 and the 25th session is in progress now. And I'm sure that you are hearing me, isn't it? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now, let me ask you the thing what I posted on the screen. Anyone can hurry up and read what I posted on the screen, and you could see it. Yes, you could see it. Because I also checked it, you could see it. Yes, what is this thing? What is the above image or a poster is called or signifies or shows or depicts? Anyone? If you know it, you can tell me. If you don't know it, you can say pass on. Hurry up.
Pass on,
Hurry
sir.
up. Yes. If you know it, you can tell me. If you don't know it, you can say pass on.
Pass on, sir.
Yes. This sign is, this symbol is, it is represented, yes, bank. This is a bank. It is represented over there. Yes, the purpose of showing this is this here. I have taken from there, bank. Then the list public sector bank in India. And now you tell me that how many nationalized banks in India? Anyone? Yes. Know it? Tell me. Don't know it? Pass. Say pass on. How many nationalized banks in India?
Pass on.
There are 12 is there. Public service banking system is, of course, later on that you will know that what are the 12 banks are there. Yes. So next to the point what I want to make it, what is the name of National Bank of 12? Of course, you will sooner or later, you will learn it. That is the Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, and Central Bank, Union Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab and Social Punjab and Sindh Bank, Indian Bank, UCO Bank and Bank of Maharashtra, State Bank of India. These are the things are there. So where is the headquarter of the SBI? Anyone?
Mumbai, sir.
Yes?
Mumbai.
Yes, it is Bombay, is the headquarter, is it? And where is the headquarter of the Punjab National Bank? Hurry up.
Is it in Chandigarh?
No, this is Vadodara, they said. It is the headquarters of the Punjab National Bank is in Vadodara. Huh? No. It is in New Delhi. The headquarters of the Punjab National Bank is in New Delhi. Sorry, that make the correction. And where is the headquarters of the Bank of Baroda? And this is, it is said to be the Alkapuri, Vadodara. It is the urban area in the western side of the Vadodara city in the state of Gujarat in India. Yes, amalgamated means, anyone? What did it mean by amalgamated means?
Amalgamated meant combined, mixed.
Yes. Can you give me one example?
Indian
Suppose
Bank, the Andhra Bank, sir.
Yes.
Andhra Bank merged the Union Bank.
See, merging is where different and amalgamation is different. That is, the merging is different. And here, when you want to say it,
sulfur and rubber
yes.
will it be
Amalgamated in the sense, if you want to prepare the brass, there the iron and zinc. No, it is the copper and zinc. That is the right. The copper and zinc will be amalgamated, and then the new product will come as a brass. That is called amalgamated. And here, Maruti Motors operating in India and Suzuki based on Japan amalgamated to form a new company called Maruti Suzuki India Limited. So that is the amalgamation is concerned. And merged in the sense, syndicated bank is merged in the Canara Bank. That is the thing which I want to make it out. In short, later on, it goes to my wife. Yes. Then and she will deal some of the 10. Only 10 she will deal it. Later on, it will turn out to the Kurikunda Sharad Babu. Yes, please. Today's session or online session by my Uxar deals now. The Uxar means in the Latin terminology wife. Yes. Please.
Evening, everybody. Here, 31 question. Time spent with cats, never wasted. One is, Jeremy Bentham, and 2 is Goodhart, and 3 is Holland, and 4 is Sigmund Freud.
Which is the right among the four? Yes. If you know it, you can tell me. Otherwise, you can say pass on.
Freud is the correct answer.
Yes, next. This is the time spent with the cats is never wasted. That is Sigmund Freud is said like that. Okay,
Sigmund
understood.
Freud was a great psychoanalyst,
Yes, yes.
father of psychoanalysis.
Yeah, you are right. Yes, please.
Now, 32 question. Here, quotation goes like this. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Said by John F. Kennedy. 2. Thomas Jefferson. 3. Abraham Lincoln. And 4 is Winston Churchill.
Who are among them? And who is among them? That's the appropriate way. See, woodcutter.
Abraham Lincoln.
See here, the woodcutter, the Abraham Lincoln. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Abraham Lincoln. Yes. Next, the 33rd quotation is yes.
He spent most of his early childhood in woodcutting.
Yes. Next.
33. Question number 33.
Quotation.
Quotation here. From error to error, one discovers the entire truth. Said by Jeremy Bentham. And 2 is Sigmund Freud. And 3 is Charles Goodhart. And 4 is Holland.
Yeah. Among the 4, which one is the right answer? From error to error, one discovers the entire truth.
There is error in answer. The last one should be written
No,
as
it
4.
is again the Sigmund Freud said. From error to error,
Yes,
one
yes.
discovers the entire truth. Sigmund Freud is there. Yes.
Yeah, Sigmund Freud. No, 3 Nelly.
Okay. The 4 would be there. Yeah. You're right.
Question number 34. Now quotation goes like this. Faith is a passionate intuition, said by Robert Frost. And 2 is R.L. Stevenson. 3 is T.H. Lawrence. And 4 is William Wordsworth.
Who said these words? Faith is a passionate intuition. It is William Wordsworth said these words. See, the faith is a passionate intuition. William Wordsworth. Yes. Next, 35.
Now, question number 35. Quotation. He is able who thinks he is able.
Number 1.
Number 1, Swami Vivekananda, and 2 is Kabir, and 3 is Kalidas, and 4 is Buddha.
Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. You make a trial.
Buddha.
It is a Buddha. Yes, you are right. It is a Buddha. He is able. Who thinks he is able? Yeah, that is he said. The 36. Yeah.
36 question. Here, be united, persevere, and achieve self-government so that the millions now perishing by poverty, famine, and plague may be saved, and India may once again occupy her proud position of yore among the greatest and civilized nations of the world. 1 is said by Tantya Tope, 2 is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and 3 is Dadabhai Naoroji, and 4 is Ramanand Pillai.
Among the 4, which one is the right answer? Yes, it is Dadabhai Naoroji that he said these words. Next, 37.
Question number 37. By your stumbling, the world is perfected. Said by Dadabhai Naoroji. and 2 is Ramanand Pillai, and 3 is Swami Vivekananda, and 4 is Sri Aurobindo.
Participants are very much silent. I don't know whether you are hearing me or not. Yes?
Sir, hearing.
Then we are so much silent. Even though it's wrong, there is no minus marks.
Swami Vivekananda.
Sri Aurobindo. By stumbling, the world is perfected. Sri Aurobindo said those words. Yes. 38th quotation.
38th question, the quotation is, he who loves 50 people has 50 oaths. He who loves no one has no oaths. And here one is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, 2 Shankaracharya, 3 Vivekananda, and 4 is Buddha.
Make a trial. It is Buddha. He who loves 50 people has 50 woes. He who loves no one has no woes. Yes. Next 39, last but one is
39th question. Now the quotation, the tongue like a sharp knife kills without drawing blood. Said by 1 Buddha, 2 Shankaracharya, 3 Vivekananda, 4 is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa.
which is the right answer? Again, it is a Buddha. And the tongue, like a sharp knife, kills without drawing blood. Yes, the last one is
40th question. Here, in a gentle way, you can shake the world. Said by M.K. Gandhi ji, and 2 is Subhash Chandra Bose, and 3 is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and 4th is Bhagat Singh.
who said those words? Make a trial because there's no sound from your side.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
It is Bhagat Singh. Is it Bhagat Singh who said? No, it is Mahatma Gandhi. Because for confusion said that we made it Bhagat Singh, but actually it is said in a gentle way you can shake the world. Is said by the Mahatma Gandhi, and that is the end of the
Because
today's. Yes.
gentle way is always associated with
Yeah,
people like
non-violence,
Gandhi.
non-violence,
Yes.
gentle way.
Yes.
These are the things which is associated with the MK Gandhi. Yes, sir. And thank you for your time today. Then now I'll switch over to our Kolikunda Sharad Babu. His round is now present. Then it is he who is going to deal now. Right, sir.
Okay, sir. Good evening to one and all.
Good evening.
Yesterday, we could not deal with the
Proper way.
questions in mental ability in a proper way because there was a problem with sir's laptop, and now he has bought a new laptop worth 63,000 rupees. So I hope there will be no problem from now onwards. So I will carry out the same set of questions that I had to deal with yesterday. So the first question in mental ability is, first question, if certain code CABE is for 9134 and SAVE is for 8104, then how is CAVE written in that code? 9140, 3140, 1430, 9104. Participants are expected to. Yes,
9140.
yesterday I think the same participant gave the answer. It is 9104 because C stands for 9, A stands for 0, V stands for 0, 0 stands for V, 4 stands for E. So the logic is like that. Use the logic and then know what the code would be. Second question, if up is related to down, then come is related to went, came, gone, go. Fourth option, you're right, go. Go is the right match with come. If up is related to down, then Go is
సరే
automatically
ఆన్లైన్
related
క్లాస్
to
ఉన్నారు
come.
సార్ తర్వాత మాట్లాడు.
Third question, pointing to Swami, Swapna says, he is the son of my grandfather's only son. How is Swami related to Swapna? Father, brother, uncle, cousin. So there are four options: father, brother, uncle, cousin. What's
And
the
yesterday
answer?
the people are present and gave the answer, I believe, for this question.
Yes. What's the answer? Please repeat.
I think
Father.
yesterday people have given the answer for this
Yes,
one.
brother, option 2 is the correct answer. Brother is the answer. So Swapna, Swami is brother of Swapna because he is the son of my grandfather's only son. That is, there lies the clue. Fourth question is, gavel is matched with peg, and what is matched with anvil? Is it matchet? Is it electrician hammer? Is it carpenter hammer? Or is it sledgehammer? Gavel, a judge strikes peg with gavel. Judge in the court strikes peg with gavel to keep the order of the court. So, the anvil is related to like this. To which of the following? Matchet, electrician hammer, carpenter hammer, sledgehammer. Anvil is a metal platform having on both sides concave sides, having on both sides a concave shape.
And once I shown the anvil also in the
Yes,
screen. Yes, give the answer, right answer.
it is sledgehammer. It is sledgehammer. You know, hammer means a kind of striking metal that is sutti. Sledgehammer. Now the fifth question is, which number follows 23, 47, 75? 122, 120, 107, 108. Which number follows? After 23, 47. After 47, 75. After 75, what? Which number? Is it 122? Is it 120? Or is it 107? Or finally, is it 108?
Option, sir.
Option? Option, repeat please.
Option 3, sir.
That's right. Option 3 is the correct answer, 107. The feedback is, if we multiply 4 with 6, then we get 24. Then if we multiply 4 with 7, so first we multiplied with 6, then we multiplied 4 with 7, we get 28. So you add 24 to 23. Then next time you add 28 to 47. Then next time you add 32 to 75. You will get 107. If you multiply 4 with 6, then it is 24. And then you add 24 to 23, it becomes 47. Then multiply 4 with the 7, it becomes 28. Then you add it to 47, then it becomes 75. Then the last step is multiplied 4 with 8. Then comes 32. And then you add this 32 to 75. Then it comes to 107. So the correct answer is option 3, 107. Now move to sixth question. What is the missing number? 2,
34.
7, 14, 23 dash 47. It is?
34. 34.
Yes, 34. The feedback is 2 plus, first take 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. That becomes 7. So the first number is 2. You add 2 plus 2 plus 1. Then second number 7. You add 3 plus 3 plus 1. It becomes 14. Then take 14. You add this time 4, 4, 1. It becomes 23. Then for 23, you add 551, it becomes 34. So the missing number should be invariably, undoubtedly 34. Now, seventh question, find the missing number 27, 51, 83 dash. 27, 51, 83. Options are 102, 117, 123, 138. Apply your logic. 27, 51, 83. So I'm giving the feedback. If you are not ready to answer, so 5 times, it becomes 25 plus 2, 27. Then you skip 6, then 7. 7 into 7 plus 2, 49 plus 2, 51. Then you skip 8. 9 into 9 plus 2, 81 plus 2, 83. Then you skip 10. This time 11 into 11 plus 2, 121 plus 2, 123. So the answer is option 3, 123. Now, eighth question. In a class of 50 students, A is 8th from the top and B 19th from the bottom. How many students are there between A and B? 22, 23, 24, 26. I think this is a very easy question and you can answer easily. The class has 50 students and A's position is 8th from the top and B's position is 19th from the bottom. So how many students are there between A and B? Very simple answer is you add 8 to 19, 8 plus 19, then it becomes 27. You subtract 27 from 50, then that is equal to 23. So in between A and B, how many students are there? The number is 23. So just apply very simple logic here. Next, ninth question. How many meaningful words can be made using all the letters, all the 4 letters, only once from TEBI in each word? The options are none, 1, 2, 3. Here also you have to apply logic. How many meaningful words can be made using all the letters only once from TEBI in each word? None, 1, 2, 3. The participants are mute. They are not responding.
At least, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter because there is no minus marks.
Yes.
See, permutation combination, you can make it out. Sometimes you can keep the E, sometimes you can keep the B, then you can make it out, and what will come?
So, as you are not ready to answer, I myself am giving the answer is only one, that is bite, BIT. Very simple here. You have to use each letter only once and you have to make word. So how is it possible to use the letter once again? So then you can make only one word.
Yes,
Where is the logic?
yeah, if you allow me, we can make it another word also, Beti, B-E-T-I, Beti. Whether it is permitted here or not, I don't know.
Not permitted, sir. And
Not
there
permitted.
is a logic, sir.
Okay,
You
okay.
have to use mental ability questions are this. You have to use the one letter only once.
Yeah, yeah.
One letter only once. There lies the logic. So you
Right.
cannot use it next time. So that
Okay.
is only one. Next,
Yes.
10th question is, participants be active.
Ask
Don't
anyone of the
keep quiet.
participants to read.
Don't be mute spectators, mute participants, mute audience. Be active.
meaningful words can be made using each letter only once from TEBI in each word.
Yes. How many meaningful words can be made using each letter only once from Tebi in each word? Okay. None, 1, 2, 3.
Answer.
Is it
Yes.
repetition? No,
No, sir.
no. It's not a repetition. Yeah. Because you can make the letters.
Sir, there is a difference, sir.
Yeah,
All
difference.
the letter only once.
I
Each
found.
letter only once.
I
Yes.
found. I said I found. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Is it none, or is it 1, or is it 2, or is it 3?
Give the answer.
Yes, only 2. Option 3 is the correct answer. We can make 2 words, that is, they are it and be. It and beb. 11th question. Herbivores are animals feeding on plants. Then what is that dash which feed both on plant, paper, and everything? Carnivorous, omnivorous, multifarious, compositors. What is the correct answer? Herbivores are animals feeding on plants. Then what is that dash which feed both on plant, paper, and everything? Carnivorous, omnivorous, multifarious, compositors. Yes, God is omnipresent. So God is present everywhere, you see. Can you say now answer? The answer is option 2, omnivorous. So they eat everything. For example, take cockroach. Cockroach eats both plants, animals, and even it can eat paper also. It eats even fecal material also. So such kind of animals are called omnivorous animals. So carnivorous means flesh-eating animals. Okay, next, 12th.
Yes.
A multiple choice question is composed of 2 parts. First one dash that identifies the question or problem, and second one a set of alternatives or possible answers. Among them, one is correct answer. The rest of them are incorrect answers. Here the question is very simple. A multiple choice question has 2 parts. The second part is already given. You have to name the first part. Is it branch? Is it plant? Is it stem? Or is it twig? Yes, please, participants.
Try when though it is wrong. Doesn't matter. No minus marks.
Give one answer so that I can move.
Son of Fatima, unmute and give me the answer.
One answer, whether it is right or wrong, so that it will encourage me to move forward, at least.
Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. Say.
Yes, please repeat.
Option 3 stem.
Yes, you are right. Option 3 is the correct answer. That is stem. So a multiple choice question, first part is stem, that identifies the question or problem. And the second one is a set of alternatives. So automatically the next part of this multiple choice question is the options are given, whether they are 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, like that. So the first part is stem, and the second part is a set of alternatives. Next, 13th question. Tree is related to trunk, then plant is equal to what? Is it foliage? Is it branch? Is it stem? Or is it twig?
Stem, sir.
Yes, because big trees have trunks, and generally each plant has stem. So option 3 is the correct answer. Stem is to plant and trunk is to tree. The 14th question is, one among them is not connected to the root terminology. So root, the plant has root, and among the four, one is not related to this terminology. The first choice is lateral roots.
Option 4.
Option 4 is the correct answer. Before reading the options itself, you have answered. You are right. Option 4 is the correct answer. Internal roots is not related to the root terminology. 15th question. In plants, flower helps in reproduction, leaves perform photosynthesis, and then fruits dash. You give the answer. Protect the plant, protect the pulp, protects the seeds, all of the above. I think you can answer this. Option 1 is protect the plant. So each part of the plant has a unique function. Option 3 is the correct answer because fruit contains seeds embedded in it, and fruit protects the seeds so that the transfer of seeds, and so that many number of trees can be sowed with the help of seeds. So that's the function of fruit. It protects the seeds. Next, 16th question. Fill the missing numbers in the series. 9, 6, 23, 30, 37, 44, 51, dash dash. The options are 57, 70,
58, 68, 65.
58, 65. That's right, you're right. Because simply adding 7 to each number will take you to 58 and consequently to the last one, 65. So add 7 to 9, you will get 16. Add 7 to 16, you will get 23, and so on. Finally, you add 7 to 51, you will get 58, and add 7 to 58, you will get 65. 17th question. This is a question framed by our professor, sir, our host, which makes brainstorming. Of course, I think you are ready for this question. 17th question is closely observe how many dash Dell laptops are there in the below image and how many times dash Dell logo, already logo picture is also given here, is or are engraved on the laptop. So sir is showing laptop, and how many laptops are there, Dell laptops are there, and how many Dell logos are there. You fill in the first blank, the number of laptops, and you fill in the second blank, the number of Dell logos. So the options are 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 4 and 2.
2 and 4.
You are right, very good. Option 2 is the correct answer. The laptops are 2 and the logos are 4. The first one has on the top of it one logo, and at the bottom it has one logo, and the second one has also the same. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 logos are there and 2 laptops are there. Next question is 18th question. Ornithologist. We have already studied one ornithologist. A person
Salim
who
Ali.
studies, yes, a person who studies or is an expert on birds, specially trained in diseases, specially trained in diseases and conditions of the chest, particularly pneumonia, asthma, tuberculosis, emphysema, and
Option 3.
complicated chest infections. You are right. Option 3 is the correct answer. Pulmonologist. Pulmonologist deals with the disease of chest and lungs. So option 3 is the correct answer. Pathologist deals with the detection of diseases. Cardiologist deals with the disease of heart. Oncologist deals with cancer diseases. So 19th question is, so option 3 is the correct answer. Pulmonologist deals with chest and lungs diseases. 19th question is Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank is equal to Union Bank of India. I hope you have understood what I mean. Then Vijaya Bank and Dash is equal to what?
Bank
The
of Baroda,
first
sir.
choice, yes, you are right. Option 3 is the correct answer. And Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank have merged into Bank of Baroda. Like Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank have merged into Union Bank of India. And now there are no Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank, only Union Bank of India is there. So Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank are not there. Now they have merged into Bank of Baroda. Only Bank of Baroda is there. We cannot find Vijaya Bank or Dena Bank. Now, 20th question. How many banks are merged into State Bank of India? Now, there is no State Bank of Hyderabad. We can find only State Bank of India. Like that, there are some state banks of different states. How many such banks are there and how many have merged into State Bank of India? 4, 5, 6, 7.
Option 3, sir.
Yes, 6 banks have merged, 6 state banks have merged into State Bank of India. They are State Bank of Bikaner and Jaipur, State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Mysore, State Bank of Patiala, State Bank of Travancore, Bharatiya Mahila Bank. So a list is given. Punjab National Bank, into it, Oriental Bank of Commerce, Union Bank of India have merged. And Syndicate Bank has merged with Canara Bank. Allahabad Bank has merged with Indian Bank. Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank have merged with Union Bank of India. As I have already said, then Dena Bank, Vijaya Bank have merged with Bank of Baroda. So that is the today's mental ability. Now I hand over the microphone to our professor sir, our key host, Mohammad
Ye-
Hussain Sahab.
Yes, I'm very much ready for my turn because in the last class that we dealt the find the odd man out from the give below, the option in the Indiana, which is the purely the conservative state, and the India, of course, the culture of everything, and we believe in our culture and the fear of God. Pakistan having the same, and Alaska. Then somebody told that yes, Alaska it doesn't have that they can marry even sibling also. That's what we dealt in the last class. Yes, come to this class is concerned 157th question. What is the equation? Is this? You read the equation. How it is? What is the relation? What is the relationship between the both are there? You can see bus, luggage, ship, dash. Question mark. Is it a freight? Is it a cargo? Is it a weight? Or is it a material? Which one is the right answer? Yes. See, in the bus, you say the luggage. Luggage charges are there. Train also will say, let's say the luggage charges. But when the matter comes to the ship, can you say the freight, cargo, weight, or material? Cargo ship.
Yes, participants,
Why are so silent? I don't know.
PIQ, please.
Cargo ships
Nothing.
are there.
The
Generally,
thing
we
is
use.
that even if you give wrong answer, it will be one kind of encouragement for us, so that you are not mute, you are not silent, and you are participating in our program. So that
Option
makes
3.
us to. Yes, sir, it is cargo, I think.
Yes, it is a cargo generally, but if a freight is, we will mostly use for the airplanes. And the weight
Sir,
is,
sometimes even
yeah,
in
cargo also. We can
aeroplanes,
use the cargo also.
cargo
If it is
also
a
is.
heavy,
Yes.
then we say the cargo. If it is a
Yes.
small or little, we will say it is a freight. So that is only the
Always
difference.
in ships, heavy luggage is expected. That's why it is called nothing but cargo.
Yeah. Then I told also in that the longest, the highest, the more transport through the air, water, land. Answer
It
is
is water.
it is through
It
the
is through
water
water.
in the ship. Cargo will go there. Yes, that is the answer for that one. Yes, for a 58 question, Please observe the logic, use the logic and reach to the conclusion and reply answer. Now, read. Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. Later on, it became a Aligarh Muslim University. Then, what is college? Later on, it became a Banaras Hindu University. What was the earlier name of the Banaras Hindu University? Number 1, College Hindu Central. Number 2, Hindu Central College. Number 3, Central College of Hindu. Number 4, Central Hindu College.
Second one, sir, Hindu Central College.
And two.
Which
I
one?
think it is Central Hindu College. 4 is
Central
correct.
Hindu College is the right answer for that one. Central Hindu College, later on it is turned into the
Because
Banaras Hindu University. By
the
whom?
sequence, that is Madan Mohan Malviya,
Yes. What about the Aligarh Muslim University?
Syed Ali,
Sir
sorry.
Syed Ahmad Khan.
Ahmad Khan. Sir
Yeah,
Syed
these are
Ahmad.
the founders of these two universities. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan is Aligarh Muslim
And
University, and Madan Mohan
Madan
Malviya is
Mohan.
the Banaras Hindu University. Yeah. So that was the thing. Next 159 question. There are numerous use of the concave lens.
We can add one more thing, sir.
Yes.
Shantiniketan was
Rabindranath
founded by
Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore. So
Later
so
on,
that it
later
can
on, no, before,
it Vishwabharati University. It became
yeah.
Vishwabharati
We
University.
can, yes, that also we can add it. Earlier, it will be known as the Shantiniketan, which is founded by the Rabindranath Tagore, and later on, it became a Vishwabharati University. Yes, that is a very good because that is also can be expected over there. In addition to these two, okay. Shall I proceed? Participants, you are not saying anything. You are a very silent spectator today. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, of course, only the voice we could hear is Kolikonda Sarath Babu as the AV radio only, but Akila is very much silent, and Durga Prasad also, I could not hear his voice, and son of Fatima, then Shivani Gorapalli. And please, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter, but you have to try to give the answers. Yes. 159th question. There are numerous uses of the concave lens, and it can be used in, and one among them is not correct. I say not correct. In other three, the concave lens can be used. Number 1, telescopes and cameras. Number 2, lasers, glasses and binoculars or flashlights. Number 3, peepholes. Number 4, weepholes. I already told you what is
Option four,
peephole,
sir.
what is weephole, what is manhole. Yes, say loudly.
Option three, sir.
Yes, option 4, weephole. Weephole is a constructed by the mason, and it is a wall, and where the adjusted
There is
water
no question of
percolation.
there
Yes,
is no
yes.
question of lens arrangement of lens.
There is no question of lens appear over there. Only mortar and the travel and the bricks and the cement as well as the stones can be used over there, not the lens. Yeah. So here only 5 minutes are left over there. Concave lens used in the glasses uses the concave lens in the lasers, and cameras also concave lens is used, and flashlights also concave lens are used, and the peepholes also concave lens are used, but not the weephole. Yes. 160 question. Find out the odd man out of split lentils, that is dal. Split lentils called dal. Chana dal or chana pulse, tuvar dal, moong dal or masoor dal. Sir, kitchen item ladugutane sir dantla. What is the odd man out? Because everything is a dal, no sir. Find out, use your logic. All are dal, but there is some difference would be there in lentils. What is that? Sir, we don't know, sir, unless until you show us. Masoor dal. What is the difference? You find it there? Tell me. What is the difference?
The last one has a different color. The
Tell
three
me the
have
color. Color also you tell me.
Orange. Pink color.
That is a pink color. The others are
yellow.
Yellow, sir.
yellow color. Why you are making such a basic colors? The things you do not get. Compare the columns. 1 and 2 are the 3 yellow colors, and dal is the 4th one, is the Masoor dal is the pink color. Yes, next, this one, tell me that. What is that? Find out the odd man out. These fried or boiled nuts we may enjoy after processing a side munching. Peas, chana, moong, groundnuts.
Groundnut, sir.
ఎందుకు చెప్పు నాయనా?
Option 3, sir.
Give me the reason. Logic, explanation, solution, narration.
Is the kind of teeth that we use.
The teeth you use, groundnuts, all the teeth can be used. Moong dal also can be
No,
used.
the side, the
Appreciate,
kind
I
of
appreciate.
the
I
kind of
appreciate.
teeth that we use. Munching
I
means
appreciate.
the,
Yeah, I appreciate the munching, because you are when you say munching, you are thinking that the munching relates to the tooth. But here is the feedback you read. Anyone can read the feedback? Anyone can read the feedback, please? Sir, we are done.
all from serial number 1 to 3 are harvested by plucking the pods from the bushes or shrubs, plants, or whereas serial number we pull them from ground and wash it to eat. Which one, sir?
Serial number
Fourth
4.
one. Yes.
See, the
So
other things are
we-
above the ground. The
Yes,
last
yes.
one is below the ground. I mean, below the soil.
Yes.
See, that is they can ask you. Find the odd man out.
It is said that even one IAS officer came and visited who is not known to this farming.
Yes.
And he asked such a question: why do we find these groundnuts in the underground?
Yeah. Yeah. It is a self-explanatory.
Yes.
It is a self-explanatory. Ground nuts means it's below the soil. Ground level. That is to say ground level. So that is the thing that we can make it out. So these are the things, because now at any time it can be stopped over there. Meanwhile, if you want to ask anything, you can ask me, because the question will be framed by using any other method also, because it's a mental ability that you want to test your ability of your mind, then how could perceive it, like the which I have shown that I kept the new laptop and the old laptop, then I put the photograph, then I will ask you how many laptops are there, but somebody will thought that it is there on the screen, that laptop will be shown over there, but physically laptop is kept over there in juxtaposition, hence the two laptops, and the logo would be there on the top of the laptop, the cover, and when you see the screen, in the lower bottom also you could see the logo of the laptop, generally for the Dell. So that is the only the thing that you have to make it.
Even if the same questions are not asked,
Yeah.
these will help the participants or candidates to apply their brain to other questions, other type of questions also, because
Yes. Definitely.
they will know how to apply their brain.